cut the feet to calculate what size they need to be, I need to measure this distance, in this case 12, and cut it in half, so that's 6, because I want the feet to touch. So, starting from this point here, I'll measure over 6 inches and make a mark. I'll make my mark right at that 6-inch point. From that reference point, I'm going to put my template down, flush across the top, line it up, and go ahead and trace it out. Once again, this distance from here to here is 1/2 the distance of this. And there's my foot traced out, ready to cut. I'm going to use an 1¼ Forstner bit to cut this part of the circle, and then go to the scroll saw for the rest of it. I have this piece clamped here, because when the bit makes contact with it, it wants to slide it over. And having it clamped will stop that from happening. Okay, there's 1/2 of the bracket corner foot. And it'll need a little bit of hand cleanup, but that's a pretty quick way to do it. Okay, to glue these up, I butt them against a ruler, slide them together. I'm just going to lay a strip of tape down here across the flat spot. Cut it off, and then just do one right here. Pull that in a little bit. So basically we're creating a hinge point for these things. So when we glue it up, they'll just hinge together in the joint. Alright, so to do that, put a little glue on it. We're going to put glue blocks behind these when it's all said and done too, to reinforce it. So just want to get a little glue, nice even coat. Either a piece of veneer or something like that. That helps spread it. Have a little piece of carpet here, that'll work. Or cardboard. I hear Jimmy microwaving. Okay. These are usually a mess. Usually you get a lot of glue. So that's why I'm doing it on the surface here. Just go ahead and squeeze. squeeze it together. You can see the squeeze out coming already. You just take your spline, oops, and just slide it in. And if it breaks, that's no big deal. Let's just say it did break, okay? So it breaks. Flip it over, and it's coming from the other side. Now keep in mind, if you have a lot of glue in there, you're forcing it to go somewhere. Just go, see how it's starting to squeeze now? You're done. You're done. So at this point, we got squeeze out in the back. I want to check to see what I'm looking at in terms of square. That's dead on. I'm just going to leave it alone. If it was way out, you could put a piece of tape here. But because we have to attach it to the bookcase, it's better if it's a little far open than a little too far closed. So 90-91 degrees is far better than 90-89. So anyways, when that dries, we'll just scrape it off. That's how you glue up the bracket foot.